Dear virtual visitors of Vision 2020, we have arrived at the last, but certainly not least meaningful project of the exhibition. In here, the silence is deafening is a series of landscape photographs by Aftonon Nuha, an independent photographer based in Surabaya, who is mainly engaged in social and environmental issues, often working for NGOs. When we were setting up this exhibition, we felt Aftonon's photographs as inviting us to calm down, to contemplate what we have seen so far. They invite us to face the dichotomy between the fascination of the progress of global society in social and material terms, and the price we pay for development, cities, transportations, digitalized life, and technology. At the time he proposed his project, Aftonon described his own work with the following words. George Michelson Foy said he wondered whether navigational skill we learned costed us an ability to determine our position instinctively. I wonder if it also made us lose our sensitivity to nature's changing condition. What is the world's future? How do we live 10 years from now? Are we facing an ill-fated future? We, the curators, had a feeling that his photographs are like prolonged movie scenes that arouse the viewer's expectation of a dramatic moment that has yet to come. Aftonon's answer to those unpredictably topical questions is that we cannot truly separate ourselves from the ecosystems that we are part of, that we have created a community or a symbiosis with. And right now, it is an every visitor's task, every Earth inhabitant's responsibility to answer. Are we doing it all alone, or as all one? The curatorial team of Vision 2020 feels privileged and grateful to be able to share our and photographers' work, even during the past lockdown times, with our audiences worldwide. As we are used from this time, we are meeting the other two curators virtually today. Hi Swan Ti, how is Jakarta?
Hi Maria, we are all good here. We are entering the physical distancing in the big scale, and I'm happy that we have prepared the virtual guided tours. So in this difficult situation, the Indonesian audience who are not able to visit the physical exhibition can enjoy the exhibition, the show, and also the other audience from other parts of the world. By the end of these virtual guided tours, you may have looked at the 20 projects on Indonesian communities created by 27 Indonesian visual storytellers who live in the different cities and places around Indonesia. Their work are diverse, a reflection on Indonesia's rich culture and photographic heritage. On behalf of the photographers who involved in this project, Vision 2020, I would like to thank you all for your time.
Thank you, Swan Ti, as well, and we cannot wait for September to meet you in live. We really hope so to see you then in Ljubljana. And there is also Saša Kralj from Zagreb, who helped us with the whole project, with the exhibition, co-curated it with us, and also, of course, took care for 1/3 of the guided tours. Saša, do you have something to share with us at the end?
Thank you. It was really wonderful to be part of this. I loved sharing, as you said, sharing after all means to communicate, and to communicate means to change and be changed. And we, through that process, form a community. That's how the word is sharing the same root, communicating to make a community. And so I am really happy to be part of that. And through this exhibition, I'm proud to be part of this big community from Indonesia to Slovenia. And we are all photographers. The subjects that photographers talked about and represented, we are now big community with the viewers that saw us online and that will see us live in Ljubljana on the exhibition. And I think the biggest part is to be part of that worldwide community now. And thank you, and thank photographers and thank subjects for all of this opportunity.
And until 4th of October, you are now invited to visit the exhibition and use our videos as your audio guides, while examining the photographs as they speak to you with their full potential.